I don't know who you are, but your energy, I'm hearing intoxicating. You have a very powerful energy. You have a beautiful energy. I'm already extremely connected to Mary Magdalene, Mother Isis, Egypt. I'm guided to say Egypt in general, then not entering some of the details for now. And the ink power. This video will find you 111 on the timer. And if you're lucky enough to find this content, you are so blessed by the divine. You're going to receive some sacred chants, ancient technology, Kundalini, raising your most powerful tool, burning, transmuting your traumas, your emotions, birthing the new you, welcoming, calling back your power, your soul fragment, your energy. I'm hearing reunification of the self, calling back, bringing back the fragments that give the talents the ability for you to align with your divine polarity. You were born under a certain name, shape, form. Everything is tailored from your soul to experience a certain energy, and this is 100% mad connecting to your past life experience trauma for your soul to ultimately realign, reharmonize. So everything you've been through is coming from repetitive cycles, patterns for your soul to experience. And now we are called to rebalance, reshape, realign, reharmonize these polarities. We're ending the distortion, ending the old paradigm, ending the old era patriarchy, coming back again to softness, golden age of Aquarius, taking your power back, your authority back, taking back your sovereignty, your name, your right, your blood, I'm hearing. Very gentle, yet extremely powerful energy. You're here to achieve greatness, and it is time for you to remember who you truly are. If you want, oh my God, I was about to say I'm feeling a very strong Lemurian energy and Atlantean. It says Lemurian memory. Welcome the new. You see, it's very strange what happened. I was thinking of grabbing another deck, and then I took this one and I was about to pull, and actually all the messages they want to come directly. So I'm tapping into someone that is just going to receive everything they've asked for, everything you've been praying for is just going to be delivered to you. There is no need to rush or fear or trying to control anymore. Hey. It's so magnificent. What I'm tapping into the energy is just as if you're going to be stoned on love, on abundance. You're actually going to embody God's source energy frequency. It's as if like you're going to be on the cloud and never coming back. And this is new because I am tapping into a soul that has just known hell. For example, if you're with a partner, you, even if it's like 2, 3, 5 years, you don't even know what is love. You're about to, you guys fall in love. And if you're not with this person yet, you never fell in love before, you're going to experience what is life. And it's quite emotional actually, because I can tap into your energy and how you deserve this life. You're a beautiful human being. Oh my God, I have twin flame here. I have soulmate. I have number 44. I have joy and amusement. I cannot make this up, you guys. Actually, from the other deck, I have the fortune, because you're ending the simulation. You're taking your power back. This is the end of resisting the process because you made a choice. You see, I was about to take this, but this. Welcome the new. You're about to just live a completely new life, whether it's with your person, actual person. It's as if with your person right now, you just had to go through hell together. God was testing if you could handle the person that has been designed for you. Starting with the crap I'm hearing to go to the joy and amusement. And for others, you haven't met this person, you are going to enjoy life and pleasure. I'm hearing purification, because you're purifying your soul right now. You got as pure as God. That's why you are going to experience life from God's perspectives. Hi. Listen to your heart and gift. And on these cards, I have take action, sacred union. Oh my God, that's big. On these cards, gifts is your gifts, talents, and abilities, but it's also you're going to receive a gift. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I offer very powerful codes, downloads, and activations for your soul to activate your soul mission and to remember who you truly are. Until next time, butterfly, namaste.